Okay, now we are looking at the problem 1633. So far we have done 3 problems from basic aggregate function. This is the first SQL question from basic aggregate function part. And here we have been given a table users. So it has the 2 column user ID, user name. Then we have register table. It has contest ID, user ID. So we have to write a solution to find the percentage of users registered in each contest. Now rounded up to decimal. So we have Alice, Bob, Alex. Okay, so this is the contest IDs they have been registered for. So output is this. So we have to find out the percentage of the participation registration. So basically, okay, in total there is a 1, 2, 3, okay, 5. So there is a 4 different contest ID, 208, 9, 10, and 15. There's also 207, yeah, there is 5 in total. And we see the first 3 competition contests, all the users are registered, but to 215, only 2 out of 3 users registered. That's why it's a 66.67. And for the 207, we have only 1 participation, 1 registration. That's why it's 30.33. So basically what we do here to find the percentage, we take number of users ID who is registered for the contest ID divided to the number of users. So here to find the users that registered for the contest ID, we have to use a distinct because there's repeated values. We want only to count it once and divide it to the. Okay, so I think we will use the users table to select, to count the number of user ID. Okay, let's see. Starting with the select statement. Then first we select the contest ID. Here we are not going to use any join because we are purely working with the register table. I think what we can do is that, okay, so basically we have to do count user ID. Okay, so we can actually use average function because, so I think I'm thinking what to use. Okay, let's use normal. We say that we're gonna use count distinct user ID. Okay, count user ID divided to the no, we have to divide number of users, not the one like registered but total users. So basically we can use a subquery. So select yeah, let's say select count all. We are counting number of users from users table, from users. Okay, we divide this to this and we have to round it. Okay, so we add the beginning here, round, and we have to round it to the 2 decimal place. Okay, so from our table name register, then we have to group by the contest ID because we want to get per contest ID. So the group by, so order is that first we have to have the group by, then order by, okay, because then we will use order by. So first we do group by contest ID, then we can do, let's write it like this. Then we do it order by, and what we have been requested for here. Okay, first we have to, okay, order by percentage descending order by year. Oh, we didn't give the name to that because earlier we have to give it the name to this one as percentage So this is by, I think, descending, okay, and contest ID ascending. Contest ID ascending. Oh, okay, we have to get it as a percentage, so we have to multiply it. Let's multiply it with the 100. Okay, nice. So let's move to another question. It's called, so now we did, okay, 1, 2, 1, 1. Where is quality? So here we have been given table called query. It has 4 different columns. Okay, it may have duplicate rows. The position column has a value from 1 to 500. Rating column has a value from 1 to 5. Query with a rating less than 3 is a poor query, okay. So we have to find the quality, which is average of 2 ratio between query rating and its position. And the per query percentage is the percentage of all queries with a rating less than 3. Okay, we have to write a solution to find each query name, quality, and per query. Per query percentage. So these are the query names. There's dog and cat. Okay, we have 3 entries for each position rating. So what we do is that we divide rating to position plus again rating to position divided and divided to the number of queries. Okay, and per quality, so we have to get only the ones ratings and 3. Okay, which is this one. Okay, rating divided. Okay, total number of query name. Okay, let's do it. Let's say select first query name. This is the easiest part. Then we have to find our quality column. Quality. So basically rate, some rate divided some position here. Number of positions. So we can use the average function here. Average rating divided to position. And yeah, again we have to round it to 2 decimal place. Let's add round, and we're gonna give it name to quality. Okay, then so again we have to round it up, so we start with a round. Here we have to get only the rating where is it less than 3. So in order to get this, we can use actually if statement, because we want to filter out the result. And okay, it's gonna be kind of boolean. If it's correct, then 1, otherwise we get 0. Okay, so we say with if query, if rating smaller than 3, if rating is smaller than 3, we get 1, otherwise we get 0. And yeah, then we have to, so we have to, otherwise we use a rounding to 2 decimal place. I just check if I did it correctly. If rating smaller than 3, then we get 1. Okay, seems correct. S, I'm gonna copy paste. Okay, from our table queries. Then we have to group by, because we want to get it by query name. So group by query name. Let's run it. it. I think I have to multiply it with 100. Actually, it's here. I forgot to add the parentheses. Okay, because the statement after if should be inside the brackets. Like. Okay, now, okay, there was a mistake that I forgot to add the open the parentheses after if statement because it should be inside the parentheses brackets. And also I forgot earlier to multiply with 100 because the final result we have requested as a percentage. And yeah, that looks fine now. Here it has been accepted. Let's try to submit. Okay, we didn't pass all the test cases. We passed only 12. There's one. Oh, okay, there's cases where it has null value. So we should avoid that. We only want where the query name exists. So we have to drop it out. So we have to filter the result. So to do so, we have to add here before the group by statement there should be query name. Okay, so let's see with the small letters. Name is not null. First one. Okay, now we passed. Perfect.